Horses for courses, unveiling its meaning and usage. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting phrase, horses for courses. This saying might sound a bit puzzling at first, especially if English is not your first language. But don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll understand not just its meaning but also how and when to use it. So, let's get started. The phrase, horses for courses, has a literal and figurative background. Literally, it refers to the practice of choosing a horse that is suited to a particular race course. Some horses perform better on certain types of tracks, be it grass, dirt, or synthetic surfaces, than others. This concept was then extended metaphorically to mean that certain people or methods are better suited to specific tasks or situations. When we say, horses for courses, we're essentially highlighting the idea of suitability and specialization. It's a recognition that what works well in one scenario might not be the best choice in another. This phrase is often used to suggest that there's no one-size-fits-all solution to a problem, or that different people are suited to different tasks based on their unique skills, preferences, or characteristics. Let's look at some examples to clarify how this phrase can be used in everyday conversation. In the workplace, we should assign the design tasks to Jenna and the coding tasks to Marco. Horses for courses. In education, some students thrive in a lecture format, while others benefit more from hands-on learning. It's really a case of horses for courses. In personal preferences, I prefer hiking to swimming for my workouts. Well, horses for courses, right? These examples show that the phrase can be applied broadly, from professional settings to personal preferences. When incorporating horses for courses into your vocabulary, remember it's best used in contexts where the emphasis is on the suitability and effectiveness of individuals or methods for specific situations. It's a handy phrase for discussions about diversity in skills, approaches, and preferences. And there you have it, the meaning and use of the phrase, horses for courses, unveiled. It's a reminder of the diversity and specialization in our world, whether it's about people, methods, or even horses. We hope this video has shed some light on this interesting phrase and that you feel more confident using it in your conversations. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more language learning content. Until next time, happy learning!